cream. Don't go for face cream that said bleaching face cream in 2 days, bleaching face cream in 3 days. Those face cream will damage your face. Okay, that is not what you're looking for. I transformed my skin to a more brighter, more radiant complexion using the most powerful skincare routine there is. Because guys, it all comes down to skincare routine. You can be having the most powerful skincare product, the most bleaching, the most lightening skincare product there is, but if you are not consistent with your routine, trust me guys, you get nothing. So I dedicated myself, to following this routine to achieve my goal in just 1 month. Yes, in just 1 month, because we are doing this safely, right? You don't want anything sharp, anything 1 week, 2 weeks, because we are not damaging our skin. We just want to lighten up, right? So we are doing it safely. I decided, okay, because it's a long way to go, let me try safe, and I'm advising you to do the same. You want to lighten your skin, do it safely. Because if you try the most sharp method, there is consequences. There's consequences for everything, right? But when you try to play safe, the consequences will not be much. Right? So let me share with you the routine I follow, what I did. So as a start, I set a goal, to reducing hyperpigmentation, reducing sun damage. I was having severe hyperpigmentation. I don't know where they're coming from. I feel like because I was transitioning to becoming adult, all this hyperpigmentation, I was having so much rashes, so much sun damage, I don't know, dark spots everywhere. I was like, what is happening to me? I keep applying every product I come across with. I see the dermatologist, nothing happened. I live in Nigeria, so our dermatologists are not sorry dermatologists, but seriously, nothing was working. So I decided, you know what, I have to take aggressive action, because I cannot just be living with hyperpigmentation all over my face, dark spots. My self-esteem was very, very low, so I needed to do something. So I started with some medications. Some will lighten my face a little bit, and the rashes will go, they'll come back after I stop. My face will be lighter, my skin will be dark. I'll be like, what is this? So I decided, let me just go completely in. I need to remove all these things, clear my face, have a smooth face, have a glowy skin that I see a lot of people having. I envy that. So that is how I started. So whenever I apply any topical medication and it give me light face, I used to like it. Like, wow, I'm having a beautiful face now, but then my skin is dark. And then I said, I need to have this yellow skin all over, because I can't be having just face yellow and then the rest of the skin or the rest of the body dark. I said, okay, you know what? I need to do something to complete the process. If it looked good on me, if the light skin looked good, I can stay that way. And if it didn't, I can always go back to my dark skin without the hyperpigmentation though, without the rashes. So, and that is how I started. I set a routine, like I said, I followed it, and within 1 month I was looking extremely beautiful. My skin was so beautiful. I was getting compliments everywhere, looking good. So that is it. So my first routine is, you have to have like 2 routines, like morning routine, there's a night routine or evening routine. So like I said, everything, you need a consistency. You have to be consistent in order to do this. Like I said, there is morning routine and there is evening routine. Yes, you have to follow them, like for a good 1 month. So first of all, you cleanse. You take your bath with anything whitening or lightening, because you are whitening your skin, right? So being a soap or body wash, you wash your body, you cleanse with whitening or lightening or soap or body wash. If the soap is for both face and body, good and fine. If you have separate soap for face, you can use it. Separate soap for body, you can use it. That is the number one routine you supposed to start doing, using whitening or lightening body cleansers. Then you tone. There is separate skincare routine for face and there's separate skincare routine for body. Normally it's the face that is tricky, that is where all the happening is, but for body you only apply your lotion. If you have body oil, you apply it, that's all. But for face, that's where all the routine is. So you tone. Normally you apply a toner that targets hyperpigmentation, that said whitening or lightening. I started with vitamin C toner. There are a lot of tuners out there that are suitable for hyperpigmentation. They are suitable for targeting dark spot and all of that, and there are those that just say whitening or bleaching. So you go in with for face, you tune your face. In Nigeria we call it cleansers. Let me just say that you do your cleansing, you apply cleanser on the cotton and you cleanse your face. That is number 2. Then 3, you go in with your serum. It can be vitamin C. I use vitamin C when I started. That time it wasn't my product. I was just using random product, but I carefully select them because as time goes and I decided, let me just start my own brand, because there you know what you're doing, you know what you're applying to your skin, or you know how to target any form of issue. So you go in with your vitamin C. Vitamin C serum will help to brighten your face. It will help to target hyperpigmentation. It will help to give you that smooth, glowy face. So vitamin C serum is good. If you cannot get vitamin C serum, that was what I use. Like we are talking about what I use, right? So I use vitamin C serum that time. Right now I am even using niacinamide because I find niacinamide to be more giving me what I so much like, better than the vitamin C serum. So right now I'm using niacinamide, my own brand. Then after the serum, you go in with your lightweight moisturizer. You go in with your moisturizer as the face cream, right? The face cream. You go in with face cream. You always find a face cream that have good ingredients like glutathione, like vitamin C, like niacinamide, ingredient written on it, like the key ingredients, like retinol. These are good ingredients that you can use, like that you can achieve what you're trying to achieve in that face cream. Don't go for face cream that said bleaching face cream in 2 days, bleaching face cream in 3 days. Those face cream will damage your face. Okay, that is not what you're looking for. Find good face cream, invest in good face cream, go for the good face cream. I am seriously warning you on this because face cream can do more damage than good when you're trying to whiten your skin. So go for face cream that are very good, are lightweight and not harsh. Okay, don't go for harsh. All those face cream with hydroquinone, they will give you sunburn. They will end up damaging your face. So after the face cream, then you go in with your sunscreen. I made a video on good sunscreens I recommend that you can use. I will link to that video on the comment section. You can check it out, or if you are currently using any sunscreen that is good, you can just continue. Let me emphasize more on sunscreen. Don't start this game of lightening your skin when you don't have sunscreen intact. Please, I'm begging you, if you're living, especially if you're living in Nigeria, sunscreen is a must. You have to apply your sunscreen normally to areas that are more exposed to sun, whether you're going out or you're not going out. Your face, your hands, your legs, sunscreen. Trust me, you will thank me. You will thank me, okay? Sunscreen is very good. That is, it will help you. Like, it will help this whole process. It will help speed up the process of this smooth lightening and whitening skin, right? So please have your sunscreen intact before you start, this journey of whitening your skin, okay? And then at night, you double cleanse. You go in with your cleanser, you wash your face, you wash your face again. Do it 3 times. That's what it takes. Just make sure that sunscreen have removed with the makeup you use. If you use makeup, all the dirt that you accumulate during the day have removed completely. That is double cleansing. There is a way we do double cleansing again, but I'm telling you what I did before I know double cleansing with oil, right? I only double cleanse like twice or thrice. I just make sure that my face is totally, clean up before I stop. So that is double cleansing. Then you go in with we exfoliate. Sorry, this exfoliating you do is 2 to 3 times a week. It's not all every day. You exfoliate, you find a good scrub. That contain either turmeric, either coffee and tomatoes. These scrubs containing all these ingredients are very good when it comes to lightening. Then you do your scrubbing, you scrub your face, your whole body. Then when you get out of the shower, I tone. The toner that you use in the morning, you can use it containing vitamin C. After you finish that, then you go in with your serum. You can use the same vitamin C serum. If you have niacinamide serum, you go with it, you apply it. Then you go in with your light moisturizer. That is the face cream. You apply that also, and that is your night routine for the face. For the body, I already told you, is your good body lotion, and after that you go in with your good body oil. All this that containing good ingredients that says whitening or lightening, okay? Because you're trying to whiten your skin, you can't just go for any form of lotion. Maintenance lotion is not yours. It has to be lightening or whitening. It has to contain ingredients that will do the work, right? So after all this, I was consistent. I was consistent with this. After 1 month, guys, my skin was so flawless. All the dark spots faded away. So if you're confused on skincare product to start with, you want to brighten up your skin and you don't know which skincare product to start with, we sell skincare products. Everything is sorted out for you. All the right ingredients are all in this. The only thing you do is apply and wait for the magic to happen. So just send us a DM. There is link in our description box where it will take you to our WhatsApp directly and we'll do business. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do share this video and see you in my next video. Bye.